It looks like three bands above and a delay and split at 45-degree angle, where you get a parallel pair of singular origin, like the natural number for becoming a 5. And we are seeing 4 into 5. Why? What does this gravity? It's called dark matter. If you combine our gravity with the extra dark, 4u get 5. So the dark matter is there first, then add the regular matter. That may be the case. The dark matter glue came first, then the regular gravity o top, or my theory, which is the 5-cluster solution to dark matter, or Marc McLemore conjecture. That gravity we see our experiments is exactly 5 times more all the matter we have. So instead of gravity being 1 gravity watts, we are seeing 5 gravity watts. Dark matter makes the 4, and regular stuff the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5, if going forward direction. Time, but this might be about backwards direction time, but this might be showing us sideways time. It's not quite a clone. Is it why the split, a split indicates a sideways time addition, or addition of a parallel universe? I believe that is what this diagram is, a 2D diagram of a branch off a pair at the bottom. It's also a way to do this. It's a soliton, and if you program this into a light pattern in motion, I believe you get a superstate at that moment, and then a time clone. This is time cloning. That's UAPs do. They can multiply, they can also shrink and expand size using the same principle in a 90 degrees rotation of this, but that's a whole another symbol. I wonder what it would look like. If that's the case, what could it mean? Is this a diagram of fundamental principles of something important? So does 3 become 5 or 4 becoming 5, or should we be thinking about backwards time instead? Go backwards 5, 3. That's my theory. It's backwards time photonic principles. Furthermore, we measure over time a length of time. A year is shorter than 100 years, for example. But gravity can only be measured over time, so dark matter looks 5 times stronger. So we invent dark matter, but we are measuring an echo of gravity. It's 5 times stronger than it should be. And at the edge of the universe, the opposite dark energy, which is negative gravity. So how can if gravity B1 is 5 where the matter is, and the edge it's negative and acceleration? I believe it's because gravity can time travel and overlap itself in forward time as dark matter and negative time as dark energy. They also figured out dark energy is slowing down with time. So longer lengths of time it stretches to nothing, so does dark matter going the way in time. Gravity can wrinkles space-time 5 times along a single length. That also means it can have 5 different lengths of time itself in 3D space. And it changes in other spaces, like in the 7th dimension. There is no space, only time. For example, an 8D space has extra space. It's exactly double 3D space, but 2 times 3 isn't 8. So why less in 6 and 7? Because a delay in gratification. Instant gratification works in volume in higher dimensions. 7 has no volume. It's flat, but it's a 7 only. The ECs should be flat, so 7 is kinda flat, but no volume. What does that mean? It's the first twistor. It starts rotation. I think it's also the third fifth dimension with height. 1, 3, 5, 7. All these done have height. 2 is flat, and 4 can be flat, but it can also be 1 over, phi bigger than a sphere in 3. D, a real 4D sphere, isn't bigger, like they first thought. E8 prices. It's 1 over phi bigger, which is 61.8% bigger, or 61.8%, more volume, where 8 dimensions is exactly double volume, as 8D sphere packing has already given us in math. Thanks to the brilliant math and science of the day, has already taught us. E8 theory must be studied at Skinwalker Ranch, as should geometric unity of Eric Weinstein. Just remember there was Einstein, then Weinstein. Also, Listy, who did E8. Also, List, who solved the negative energy problem in warp theory, and many others I am still learning and will get back to you later.